In this video, let's see how to create SMS templates in Easify Marketing. In the navigation bar, click on SMS. Select Templates. In the SMS Template Groups page, click on Add New Group. In the pop-up, enter the group name. Click on Add button to add new group. In the SMS Template Groups section, click on Templates button next to the template group. In the SMS Templates section, click on Create Template. In the Create New Template form, enter template name. You can type message on your own or generate using AI. Enter a description of the topic in the provided text box. Click the Generate button to create a new message. AI will create some messages based on your prompt. Click the Choose button next to the desired AI-generated message. You can edit the message if wanted. Click Select Merge field to customize the message further. In the form, click Submit for approval to submit the message template. Template is now created successfully. Thank you for your time.